Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Google Authenticator in Melbet. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here, you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section, you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. This is really easy, but you are simply going to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and here you are going to click on the setting icon at the top right. Now you are simply going to scroll all the way down until the section of security setting, on which you are going to click, and next you are going to find out these options of two-factor authentication. You are going to click on it, and here you are going to click on install Google Authenticator. Now this will help you directly to the App Store, on which you are going to install Google Authenticator and get a code of verification that you are simply going to come back to Melbet and paste it here and click on confirm. Once confirmed, the code will make that the Google Authenticator platform will be merged with your Melbet account and you will benefit of it. And it's as simple as that.